Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Chevrolet Cordless Shear Professional Guide. There's a maximum opening of 60mm electric garden shears with an SK5 steel blades, an 800-watt brushless motor, an LCD display, and a battery tree shears for the garden and for farms. Comes with batteries. It's also available on the market without batteries, of course. You can choose what you need. The blade material is SK5. Oh, wow. With a maximum cutting opening of up to 60mm, this clipping cutter, which is battery operated, is suited for both stronger bracket and more precision cutting work. The two cutting modes is 40mm or 60mm. It can be adjusted by double pressing a trigger. A long press to the bottom with an acoustic signal confirms the change of the opening size. By further long pressing up to the 3 acoustic signals, the blade closes completely. That's it for a safe storage of a garden shears, which is battery operated. And the high quality SK5 carbon steel blades of these shears, garden shears, offer the high hardness, away with the length and long lasting sharpness. Clean, smooth cut surface reduce the crushing on the branches and supports the plant health. A clear advantage over a conventional electric garden shears for fruit trees and sensitive woody plants. And powerful, because these pro electric garden shears are equipped with a powerful 800-watt brushless motor that allows even and controlled cuts even with thicker branches. With a powerful electric pruning shear, it works energy efficiently. The low vibration and with reduced wear. It is needed for regular and intensive use with a professional cordless pruning shear in the gardening and the fruiting growing, of course. So you can use it in the entire garden area, I think. And the integrated LCD displays of the battery pruning shear clearly shows the remaining battery level as well as the number of cuts which you made. This real-time information helps to better plan work in intervals and to efficiently control the use of the battery shears, especially during the long work assessment. It's equipped with two powerful 21-volt 2000 mAh batteries. Because this cordless pruning shears allows an uninterrupted work without frequent reloading. The interchangeable battery operation makes the professional electric shear practically suited for larger areas and the time-consuming cutting work. This electric secateur is suited for garden, for orchards, for vines, yards, and agricultural lands. The set includes a storage box, 2 batteries, a charger, a toolkit, a grinding stone, high-quality gloves, reinforced safety glass, and multilingual instruction. So you get all what you need for professional cordless shear for the area which can go and have fun outside in your garden. Maximum opening 60mm. It comes with SK5 steel blades, the brushless engine, an LCD digital display, a smart shut-off function, overheat protection, and of course, it comes with a fast and precision cutting and a time and energy saving and an easy to use thing. Oh yeah. And the SK5 high-strength steel blades makes a good job. We have mode number 1 with 1.5 inches, the other mode with 2.36 inches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Good done.